Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to use the WooCommerce mobile app effectively. As an expert in WooCommerce, I'll be your guide throughout this video. So, let's dive right in. We have divided the session into 5 sections. 1. Introduction to WooCommerce mobile app. 2. Setting up the WooCommerce mobile app. 3. Connecting the app to your store. 4. Exploring the WooCommerce mobile app features. 5. Tips and best practices for using the WooCommerce mobile app. Let's start with the first section: Introduction to WooCommerce mobile app. Before we jump into the details, let's start with the basics. What is the WooCommerce mobile app, and why should you use it? Have you ever wanted to manage your WooCommerce store on the go? Well, that's where the WooCommerce mobile app comes in. It's a powerful tool that allows you to easily manage your online store from your smartphone or tablet. The app provides numerous benefits, such as 1. Store analytics. Gain valuable insights into your store's performance, sales trends, and customer behavior, all in one place. 2. Convenient order management. You can view, process, and manage orders in real time, ensuring excellent customer service. 3. Inventory management. Keep track of your stock levels, update product information, and receive alerts when items are running low. 4. Seamless communication. Stay connected with customers through notifications, order updates, and customer support features. Excellent, we are actually making a good progress. Next is setting up the WooCommerce mobile app. Now that we understand the benefits, let's get started with setting up the WooCommerce mobile app. Let's follow below steps. Download and install the app. Head over to your device's App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, and search for WooCommerce. Download and install the app. Observe the newly installed WooCommerce application. Next step is to connect the app to your store. To connect the app to your WooCommerce store, follow these simple steps mentioned on the screen. Open the app and click Next. Click on Login. Enter the URL of your website. Enter username and password. You may receive a status 409 error. Click on Try Again with WP Admin page. You would reach to this screen. Click on Yes, I approve of this connection. Enter username and password which was shared by your website provider. Select the appropriate option to log in future. It would ask to verify your identity. Choose to send email AMD. Verify the same from the mailbox of your email. Awesome, we are marching towards another exciting section named Exploring the WooCommerce mobile app features. Now that we're connected, let's take a closer look at the powerful features the WooCommerce mobile app offers. Dashboard Overview. The app's dashboard gives you an instant overview of your store's performance, including sales, orders, and revenue. You can track key metrics and make data-driven decisions on the go. Managing orders. With the WooCommerce mobile app, order management becomes a breeze. You can view and process orders, update their status, and even send personalized messages to customers, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Product management. Stay in control of your product catalog while you're on the move. Add new products, update details, adjust prices, and manage inventory levels effortlessly using the app. Store analytics. Data is crucial for growing your business. The app provides comprehensive store analytics, enabling you to analyze sales trends, track customer behavior, and identify areas for improvement. Congratulations! You are aware about the functionalities of WooCommerce mobile app. Next and final topic for today's session is tips and best practices for using the WooCommerce mobile app. Now that you know the in and outs of the WooCommerce mobile app, let's discuss some essential tips and best practices for optimizing your experience. Tips. Stay organized. Keep your app organized by customizing the order statuses, setting up notifications, and organizing your products into categories. This will help you stay on top of things and streamline your workflow. Utilize push notifications. Take advantage of push notifications to stay informed about new orders, low stock alerts, or customer inquiries. This way, you can promptly address any issues and provide excellent customer service. Security and privacy. Ensure the security and privacy of your store by enabling secure logins, using strong passwords, and keeping your device's operating system and app up to date. Congratulations! You've now become a champion at using the WooCommerce mobile app. With its powerful features, managing your online store has never been easier. Please note that mobile application must provide the similar options as dashboard. Try exploring all available options which are mentioned in my another video on Product Edition. WooCommerce Product Editions made easy, essential tips for beginner entrepreneurs using WooCommerce. Please find the link in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this journey to master the WooCommerce mobile app. I hope this guide has provided you with the necessary knowledge to enhance your online business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you and have a great time ahead.